Okay, guys, so whatever we have learned so far to motivate ourselves, let's create some random object, right? So as you can see in the default Blender, I just deleted the cube and going to add some any random stuff, just not the hard of a very heavy thing. So I'm just going to take a, you can say a cube. So I just took the cube and I'm just going to scale it and I just press scale in Z direction. So I'm just going to make it little thinner, right? So now this looks, I mean, some side of, you can say a base, right? So again, make it little more. Okay. So I'm just going to scale it for white in the X direction. Okay. And again, scale in Y direction, right? Now the question arises, suppose I want to scale this object along with the X and Y direction, but not at the Z direction at the same time. So how I can do that, right? So let's see. Press S, right? And suppose you want to scale it is X and Y direction simultaneously, but not on Z. So just press Shift Z and scale. So you see, this object is not uh, see not increasing its width along with the Z axis, but increasing in X and Y, right? So this is how you can do that. Now, after that, I'm going to add a, you can say simple mesh object, not a mesh object. That's okay. This is a, you can say a cube, you can say, sorry, UV sphere. Yes, this looks like a UV sphere. That's it. So if you add the UV sphere, you can see there is a you can say a screen will come which says the segment means you see the segment this circulating it. If you go to the wireframe mode, you can not this one, yeah, you can see this is, you can reduce it. So suppose I want to make it 8. See how it will impact ring, the circular shape. I am also making it 8. See, this is how it will look. Go back to the object mode. No worry about that. I will tell you, just click here. I mean, just click here. We're gonna learn this stuff. No worry about that. You see, this is not looking like that before. Right? We just decrease the rings and the segments here. But still looks good. So I'm just going to make it up. So how can I do that? G and Z. Yeah, here we go. So it looks like that this is being placed here. But if you drag here, you can see this look like little bit embedded, but we don't want that like that. So again, select this Z and Z and little up so that at least it should not be. Oh, here we go. Now it looks clear. Right now, what we are going to do, simple right click here and make it shade smooth, right? So that it will go some smooth kind of thing. I mean, it's not look like that you have some, you can say what, this jaggy kind of thing. I mean, making it smooth, not rough, right? But if you see on the top, to see on the top and from the side, there is a one shortcut. To see from the top, just press 7. You see, you can see the top. For the side, press 1, right? And from any other side, press 6. You see, it will start rotating from that side. So right now, go with the 1, right? So here, I just created it. Simple object. Now, I'm going to make a color. So to color the object, you see there's a property window appear here. In this here, the material property. Select this one and you can add the property to the material. But right now, just add it. Just for a motivation, add it. No need to think more on that. Just add, just add. Just add. Select color. Suppose make like sun kind of thing. And roughness means you want to see some reflection. Just reduce it from, yeah, here we go, just random, just do that. And if you want to and right now this one color is not changing, so no need to worry about that. You will have to go to the render view, just click this raster option, right? That's nice. That looks good. Now we are going to color this surface as well. Come here in material property, click on new, right? Select the color. I'm going to make it bluish color like a sky. Give little, right? Bingo. Here we go. If you press 0, ah, this looks bit nice, right? Right. So 0 means you have the camera will see your object. Just press 0 and yeah. If your object or the camera is not in that position, what you can do, you can go here in the view and come to the navigation and come here in the walk navigation. So what navigation will give you flexibility to move the stuff around. Use WASD. These are the keyboard shortcuts you play with a game. So for example, I want to make go away from that. So I just press S. See, this is how it is going away from that. I want to get it more closer, 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 right? So you can do that by that way. All right. So use a shortcut Shift D to duplicate, because if you want to see the lighting, so lighting can be in a such a way that it looks clear from all the directions. So again press Shift D, select the light, it will duplicate it around here, the three-way lighting. If you select, oh good, that's a little bit. Now duplicate it again if this is having a problem, or just simply move G so that it will looks nice. Again press, oh here we go, this looks better. You can see the reflections is coming all around. Just good for that. Go here in the render. Now we are good to go for that. Go to render, click render image so that you can see how this will look. I mean, this is just for more bingo. This looks some nice structure, right? You can see that. Go ahead and play with that and save it. If you want to save it, you can save anywhere in the format of PNG, right? So this looks nice. So this is how, I mean, this is just for the motivation purpose, nothing fancy, because when we start learning the stuff, we just eagerly waiting to how things will work, how we are going to do that, how the coloring stuff will work. So that's it, right? So just go and do that. Just go and do that. Must, I mean, maybe I haven't tell you the duplicate. So just select the object and Shift D. Uh, you can also do that. Make it two object. G, mark a little bit here. G, mark a little bit here. Go to the render, again render. Ah, see, this is how it is gonna look. I mean, so you can go ahead and play with that, right? So this is all. I hope you will do that. I mean, just no need to worry about it. Just learn this stuff. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.